Hello, welcome to Competency 5, in which we'll be talking about word analysis and identification skills. These skills are closely related to decoding and blending. Now, by decoding, we understand to mean the sounding out of words, specifically when the student is new to these words, okay? And by blending, we understand is the combination of two letters to produce a sound, usually consonants. Now, the teacher will recognize that variation will occur in the developmental process of students who are learning to identify words. Okay, it's important to be patient, especially with those students who are having trouble with these skills. Now, the teacher will develop a sense of recognition skills through a variety of different approaches or strategies, such as the identification of different sounds of words, the categorization of these words, the use of synonyms and antonyms for word recognition, the use of homographs, the use of homophones, and also analogies. Now, as the student progresses through the class and in these skills, the teacher will be able to see a progress. It goes from simple to complex. And it's very important to foster this progress and to praise the progress so that the student can have a clear understanding of how to categorize these words. Now, here it's also very important to select a variety of instructional materials that will help the student develop these skills. These skills, you're going to use the development of the short vowels, the long vowels, the rhymes, specifically with blends, so that the student becomes more exposed to these types of texts, and in the end becomes progressively better at identifying words and in analyzing their meanings. Okay, a successful teacher will also rely on the alphabetic principle for these skills. Remember that this is correlated to the relationship between the written letters and the sounds they produce. So this is a very important strategy for the teacher to rely on. Okay, we always rely on the alphabetic principle for this specific skill. Now, as far as resources, there's always the use of traditional dictionaries and glossaries and thesaurus, but now with the advent of technology, here the teacher really has a lot of liberty to discover platforms, explore online dictionaries, or even applications that can help the students with these skills. And as we mentioned before, within the other competencies, the work with the families to reach success is very important. Without the support at home, these skills will be very, very difficult for the student to acquire.